In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to create a custom checkout with third-party payments in Wix stores. Our journey begins at the very heart of Wix stores. If you have not already done so, installation is a breeze, and it all starts from the Apps section of the eponymous Wix editor. With Wix stores duly installed, we're ready to deeply customize the checkout fields and policies. The process begins by going to your store's dashboard, from where you will find Settings and subsequently Checkout. Your creativity will be needed here, as you can add or remove default fields as well as create custom ones. Note that these could be for a myriad of details, including but not limited to delivery specifics or relevant contact information. Now, we turn the spotlight on the Policies section. Here, you're at the commanding helm of shaping your store's rules. You would have the latitude to create or tweak your hitherto existing terms and conditions, privacy settings, or return policies. As an added benefit, your hands have the liberty to craft custom policy agreements, which your customers have to accept, hence keeping you in control of your business rules. With the first part of our journey successfully completed, the next feature on our itinerary is connecting a payment method. To achieve this, we'll find ourselves back in the Accept Payments section of your store's dashboard. The digital world avails us of a wide array of options to pick from as the standard payment method. This could be PayPal, Stripe, or a handful of other notable providers. Whichever method you choose, seamlessly connecting these providers means that they will appear as viable options on your checkout page. A noteworthy detail when connecting PayPal is that convenience is front and center. As a result of this, you might find that Venmo gets automatically enabled if your customer happens to have the app installed on their device. Just like that, you would have created a custom checkout with third-party payments on Wix stores, efficiently and smartly. As you implement each of these steps, always remember that your business is as unique as you are. Therefore, feel free to define your checkout process and policies in a way that reflects your business and attracts your ideal customers. We hope you found this tutorial helpful and look forward to seeing you in our next tutorial.